Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Steve Joe White. Today's lesson is subject and object personal pronouns. Subject and object personal pronouns. Okay? So let us have some examples before we get started. Mary is talking to John. Paul is playing basketball with John. Okay? In these two sentences, we've got four nouns. Mary, John, Paul, and Jane. Are we together? Okay? So the nouns before verbs are Mary and Paul. As you see in this chart, Mary and Paul are nouns before verbs. Okay? And the nouns after verbs are John and Jane. John and Jane, okay? John and Jane. Very good. So nouns before verbs are subjects. Nouns before verbs are subject or are called subject. Are we together? Nouns after verbs are objects or are called objects. Are we together so far? Subject, subject. Object, object. Nouns before verbs are subject. Okay, so Mary and Paul are subject. And John and Jane are object. Okay, here this point is very interesting. Okay, nouns before verbs are subject and the nouns after verbs are objects. Are we together? So we're going to see another interesting point, so which is going to make this lesson very easy. Okay? Yes. So I told you that nouns before verbs are called subject, and the nouns after verbs are called object. Okay? So noun subjects are replaced by subject pronouns, and the noun objects are replaced by object pronouns. Okay? We can say subject or noun subject. So, for example, if I say Paul, Paul is noun subject. If I say Alex is a noun subject or is a subject. If I say Olivier, Olivier is a noun subject. Are we together? So, noun subjects are replaced by subject pronouns. And then noun objects are replaced by object pronouns. Okay. As you can see in this chart, we have subject pronouns and then object pronouns. Is that understood? There is a singular subject pronouns and a plural subject pronouns. Also, we got singular object pronouns and plural object pronouns. We can see that this I corresponds with me. Very cute, okay? So now let us begin by subject pronouns, singular. We have I, you, she, he, it. Singular, plural, we have we, you, they. So subject pronouns usually come in handy when conjugating verbs. For example, if I want to conjugate a verb to do, I may say, I do, you do, she does, he does, it does, we do, you do, they do. So subject pronouns usually come in handy when conjugating verbs. Is that understood? I go to school, I go. I go to the market. I do the homework, I do. You do the homework. She works well. He plays football. Is that understood? So when you conjugating verbs, you usually use subject pronouns. I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. So these C right here are singular, and these C right here are plural. Are we together so far? Very good. I hope you've got the gist of what I'm teaching you. Now, let us move to object pronouns. Object pronouns, we have me, you, her, him, it. Me, you, her, him, it. These are all singular. Okay, you can see that I corresponds with me. You corresponds with you. So you does not change. Okay. She corresponds with her. He corresponds with him. It corresponds with it. For example, say I changes into me. You does not change. She changes into her, and him changes into him, and it does not change. Okay, these are all singular, but also we get some plural object pronouns. We changes into us. You changes into you, does not change, and they changes into them. Okay. Ndabisa mu Kirundi ni kuvuga yuko iyi I isobanura jewe. Turi kumwe? Hama you wewe. Wewe. You wewe. Ishi wewe mu gihe ari umukobwa. Okay? Mu Gifaransa shavuga ati elle. Wewe mu gihe ari umukobwa. Turi kumwe? Wewe. Hama he wewe mu gihe ari umuhungu. Turi kumwe? Mu Gifaransa ni il. Iyi ni elle, she ni elle. Hama ina he nayo ni il. Turi kumwe? Hama it. It nayo isubirira ikintu canke igikoko. Okay, ikintu canke igikoko. So we use it when talking about a thing or an animal. Okay? Now tell you, she wewe mu gihe ari umukobwa, she wewe mu gihe ari umuhungu, it ku kintu canke ku gikoko. Rero ngaha ishi ihinduka her, hama ishi igahinduka him, hama it nayo ihinduka iguma ari it. Turi kumwe? Rero tumanutse ngaha hepfo kuri plural object pronouns we have we ihinduka us, you ihinduka iguma ari you, hama they ihinduka them. So we ni twebwe. Twebwe iyi ni we. Hama you mwebwe mu gihe muri beshi. Iyi yo ngaho itandukanye na yo ngaho. Iyi yo ngaho gusengeriye ni kuvuga wewe. Wewe uri umwe. Muga iyi you ni mwebwe. Muri benshi ntibabona mwebwe. Turi kumwe? Ihemize nayo ni bobo. Bobo. Ilero we ihinduka us. Ihinduka twe. Hama you ihinduka, hama ize gahinduka them. Is that understood? Very good. So now I'm going to give you some examples on how you can use object pronouns. And I guarantee you with these examples that I'm going to illustrate, you are going to be able to use these object pronouns in your daily life. Okay? Very good. So now let us examine these examples. See right here. Alex wants to see. For example, say Alex wants to see me. Mu Kirundi Alex arashaka kumbona. Turi kumwe? Alex arashaka kumbona. Jewe. Alex wants to see me. Okay. Alex wants to see you. Pero iri jambo mi ishobora kurisubiza na object pronoun ushaka gukoresha. Mu gihe ari nk'abantu benshi, fate Alex na mwigisha akeneye kubona abanyeshuri biwe. Okay, but Alex wants to see them. Alex ashaka kubona. Alex wants to see his pupils. Chavuga ati Alex wants to see them. Alex want to see me. Alex want to see you. Mu gihe ari umukobwa, Alex want to see her. Mu gihe Alex ari kurondera nka Angel canke Anna, uvuga ati Alex want to see her. Or we say John is looking for you. John ariko arakurondera wewe. You ichiba object pronoun. Are we together? Mu gihe John ari kurondera abantu benshi, ubwa mbere ari kurondera abantu benshi, kivuga ati John is looking for them. He's looking for them. Mu gihe jewe na Olivier, mu gihe John ari kurondera jewe na Olivier, kivuga ati John is looking for us. Kubera ko twebwe jewe na Olivier, John is looking for us. Ilo ngaha ishira us. Mu gihe John ari kuturondera jewe na Olivier, kivuga ati John is looking for us. Mu gihe John ari kurondera mwebwe, mu gihe muri umugwi w'abantu batatu canke bane, kivuga ati John is looking for you. John is looking for you. Murumva itandukaniro. John is looking for them. John ariko arabarondera them. John is looking for us. Twebwe. John is looking for us. John is looking for us. Is that understood? John is looking for you. John is looking for you. John ariko arakurondera. Canke John ariko arabarondera mu gihe muri benshi. John is looking for her. Mu gihe John ari kurondera Anna, kivuga ati John is looking for her. Kora ko jaha yakisubira Anna. Nabwiye uko her isubirira umukobwa. Okay? Her ikoreshwa ku mukobwa. Turi kumwe? Mu gihe nawe umuhungu, kivuga ati John is looking for him. Here say him. Mu gihe ari umuhungu. Mu gihe nawe ndiko fata akaroro John yarafise igitabo yagitaye. Okay. John has lost his book. Now he's looking for it. Igitabo cyagisubirirwa ni object pronoun. Turi kumwe? It nabwo yuko swat bikoresha ku muntu cyane ku gikoko. Igitabo ni ikintu. John is looking for it. It yasubiriye igitabo. Cyane mu gihe wate telefone, you have lost your phone. Let's say you are looking for it. It has become the place of a telephone or of an object or an animal. Is that understood? Nizere ko bitahutse. Reka ndabahe agasamari gatoya kugira mushobore kubitahura neza. Aha navyo yuko Alex want to see me. Aha ushobora kuhashyira any object pronoun that you want to talk about. Alex want to see me. Akeneye kumbona. Alex want to see you. Akeneye kubona. Alex wanted to see her. Akeneye kumubona mu gihe ari umukobwa. Alex want to see him mu gihe ari umuhungu. Alex want to see it mu gihe ari ikintu. Alex want to see us. Akeneye kutubona twebwe. Alex want to see you. Akeneye kubabona. To see you. Alex want to see them. Akeneye kubabona. Whoa. Me. You. Her. Him. It. Us. You. Them. Okay? So guys, thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. So if you found this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. This will help me to grow my channel. See you in the next episode.